today I want to talk about my aeroplane. So, you can't twist it, but you can play with the wheels, but it don't twist. But how to work it out is like this. So we have to three, 2, 1, and then it flies. And what we can do is, well, this is one tail, but I know it's got 2 things there, because it's stuck to the body, and when it's stuck to the body, it can go to the other tail. So it's still 2 tails, but it is stuck. And these are his horns to fly, and this is his wings to fly, and these are just the pointy bits. And we can still play with it, but you can even press these down, and the body has got these bits, and it's got this blue bits, and the wheels are blue because of this blue bit. And it looks very angry because of his eyes, but he isn't angry. He likes to play with his eyes like that. So we can share it, and so I want to play with it because I'm just doing my vlog right now. Okay, so see you in a bit, bye. So that's the end, finished.